You pushing buttons? Are you driving Daddy's car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough.
No.
You better turn it off. Okay, put it in the garage. That's enough. No more. You got everything going. Having fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm driving.
You're going fast.
I could too.
I know it's pretend.
And that's something we do.
Okay. Better watch the road. You're gonna crash. Who's steering the car? Okay. Okay.
Shoot.
What was that? Where you going? You going back to school? Are you going back to school, Jackson?
This is my school.
Okay.
I'm going home.
Okay. Honk, honk. Okay, close the doors. Let's get out.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. That's a long time. We don't have enough gas.